back to my kitchen. Today I'll show a dessert recipe that everyone likes. Ice creams. I'm sure everyone will love eating ice cream. Even I too like eating ice creams. Because of this lockdown, I'm sure it is tough to get ice creams outside, and children at home will surely be pestering you guys. So just try making ice creams at home. So one such recipe I'll show. It is chocolate ice cream today. I'll show that. Let's go to the kitchen to see how to prepare chocolate ice cream. Come my friends. So the ingredients that we need to prepare chocolate ice cream today are, this is fresh cream, this is homemade. I have made it in my home, so I have taken a little bit of that, say quarter cup of fresh cream homemade, and 2 cups of fresh cream store bought. This is 25% fat cream. You can use this or you can use heavy cream. I leave that choice to you. So next is, after this fresh cream, 25% fat fresh cream store bought, we should use 1 tin of condensed milk. Use any brand that you want. So this is 1 tin of condensed milk. Then half a cup of cocoa powder. This is approximately 50 grams of cocoa powder. Any brand, I leave that to you. And this is chocolate essence, and this is vanilla essence. Little bit of vanilla essence should do. This is the liquid part of fresh cream. You need to extract this. Remember, before whipping the cream, the liquid part you should be separated. Otherwise, you cannot whip. Only the thick part of the fresh cream should be taken. So you have to be careful and do that. Even fresh cream, you can buy any brand that you want to. Then if you ask me what to do with this liquid part, you can use it for any gravy preparation, sweet preparation, payasam, anything. You can add it to that. So before whipping the cream, we got to mix the other ingredients together. So I have taken a bowl. To that I am adding condensed milk. So after condensed milk, I am adding in the cocoa powder too. Then quarter teaspoon or half a teaspoon of vanilla essence should be enough. Then say half a teaspoon of chocolate essence. So mix that up properly. So I have mixed everything. Look at the texture and color. Wow, lovely, right? Chocolate. Yeah. So in a larger bowl, because we got to whip, the bowl has to be larger. Pour the fresh cream. So after adding the fresh cream, I am adding the homemade fresh cream too. So after adding the fresh cream, let's start whipping slowly. Then you can increase the speed. So my friends, I'm done with the whipping of cream. You can see it has become thick. I have not opted for stiff peaks today because my cocoa mixture is thick. So I have stopped it there. I'll give you options. See, you can furthermore beat the cream and try to get stiff peaks and then mix in the chocolate mixture. I leave that to you. Choice is yours. Even this will become stiff ice cream. So I have stopped it here because the cream is thick, as you see. While whipping the cream, there are a little bit of tips that you should follow. Point number 1, the cream should be chill enough. So before you start beating, keep the cream in the freezer for about 10 to 15 minutes or max 20 minutes and then start beating the cream. Don't overbeat the cream. Texture of the cream will change. And if in case, if it is summer and if you are doubtful about getting stiff peaks, take a bigger bowl than this. Whichever bowl you take the cream, take a bigger bowl than that bowl, and in that fill ice water and keep this bowl on top of that and start beating. So this will give you quicker peaks, quicker cream. So that's the logic. So follow these beginner's tip while you whip the cream. Now let's mix in the choco mixture. So I am mixing the choco mixture into this. So as you see, I have mixed in the chocolate mixture. We'll be transferring this to a ball, that is freezer compatible ball, or you can take any aluminium packing material, fill this into that and freeze it for about 8 or 6 hours. So that's it. Let me transfer it to the box now and show you. So as you can see, I have transferred into a freezer compatible box. Let me close this. I'm going to freeze this for about 8 hours time. My friends, it's about 8 hours. I'm going to remove the box. So you can see the ice cream is all set. So let me scoop and transfer it to ice cream cup now. So I have scooped up ice cream for your view. So chocolate ice cream is ready. Today I'm just going to leave it as plain chocolate ice cream. If you want, you can decorate it with choco chips or sauce or anything that you like, sprinkles, whatever you want to. But today it is just plain chocolate ice cream. It's ready, all set. It is looking creamy. As I said, if you want it to be more creamier, all you can do is you can keep it in the freezer for 4 hours. Take the half set ice cream and whip it again using an electric blender, or with your hand you can whisk it and make it even more creamier and leave it back in the freezer for about 4 to 5 hours and then take it and eat. So you saw how to prepare these chocolate ice cream today in my kitchen. So do try it at your home and let me know. Comment in my YouTube channel. Give me your feedback. Subscribe my channel. Keep supporting me as usual, my friends. Click the notification button for further notifications from my channel. Bye bye for now.